For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Coronavirus is a respiratory virus which attacks different people with different symptoms and health conditions. However, the one recognizable symptom which points to signs of trouble early on is the presence of a dry cough. Coughing is the body's natural mechanism to help our irritants. Differentiating a normal cough from a COVID-19 cough can help you take timely action. Experts say that nearly 80% of the patients are diagnosed with COVID-19 suffer from mild symptoms which include a cough, slightly high fever, headache, or shortness of breath. Other 20% are those with comorbidities who suffer from severe complications. Hence, paying attention to milder symptoms can prevent complications and help a person recover faster. How do you recognize a dry cough? Is it unique to a coronavirus infection? Based on studies conducted by researchers, most people diagnosed with COVID-19 recorded a croaky, dry cough as a prominent symptom in the early days of infection. While a dry cough is usually characterized in COVID-diagnosed patients, it is not particular or unique to COVID-19. A dry cough is produced without sputum or phlegm and it doesn't bring up any kind of mucus. It is considered to be a non-productive cough. A dry cough feels like a constant tickle in the back of your throat. It can also trigger a cough reflex and produce a hoarse sound when you speak. While dry cough can feel bothersome and more troublesome to manage, dry coughs can also happen with other forms of allergies and infections such as bronchitis or forms of the common cold. However, you might also get a doubt, why does COVID-19 cause dry cough? For that, here is the answer. Most of COVID-19 symptoms are subsequent of inflammation and the virus attacking the respiratory system. Whereas even coronavirus is similar. It can multiply and block airways in the upper tract, settle in the lungs, which can lead to irritation and possible inflammation of the lung tissue and linings. When this happens, a cough is produced. Since COVID symptoms start off as that of a seasonal cough or flu, it can be tricky to determine if your infection is just the regular flu or COVID-19. According to experts, if your cough lingers for more than a week or in case if it goes along with other symptoms like gastrointestinal issues, breathlessness, headache, chest pain or any other typical signs, then it is a sign that one should get COVID test done. Anyhow, none of these symptoms should be taken lightly. Later it might be dangerous where one might lose their life too. Always make sure you follow all the hygiene protocols, which includes all safety measures like staying in home, isolation, getting plenty of rest, using a mask, disinfecting surfaces, avoiding sharing utilities, and most importantly, washing your hands frequently.